Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing 500,000 baht and tourist visas here in the Kingdom of Thailand. In a recent article from ThaiVisa.com, article is titled Single Entry Tourist Visa to Thailand Now Requires Foreigners to Show Funds of 500K. Quoting directly, foreigners who wish to apply for a single entry tourist visa to Thailand are now required to provide 6 months worth of bank statements showing a bank balance of at least 500,000 Thai baht. The jaw-dropping new financial requirement has been confirmed on the websites of several Thai embassies around the world. As we've noted in a prior video on this channel, we specifically quoted from the Thai embassy website in the United States, and as we have seen in further research and as Thai Visa has corroborated, there are other embassies which are posting the same thing. So 500,000 baht in a bank account, either in Thailand or one's home country, is now a prerequisite for being able to get a Thai tourist visa. The question is this the new normal? And candidly, a point of personal reference, I hate the term the new normal. It really annoys me because it doesn't mean anything. It's just a sort of buzzword. But the point being, is this going to be a permanent requirement? That is the question. Short answer, I think long-term, no. I think we're ultimately going to see things hopefully revert to some semblance of status quo anti-COVID response. But until that time, I think, yeah, we're probably stuck with this 500,000 baht requirement. Now, what does this mean? It means that it's possibly going to make certain folks ineligible, although depending on their circumstances, they may have other visa options. The other thing to understand is it appears that this 500,000 baht requirement needs to be quote-unquote seasoned. So you need to be able to show, it's based on our research, 6 months of a bank balance of this amount, either in Thailand or somewhere else, presumably in the country where you're seeking your visa. Again, is this here forever? Long story short, I think not, but I definitely think it's here for a while. And for a while, probably a couple of quarters minimum. Maybe the whole of 2021 remains to be seen. I think the circumstances will dictate how they alter possible policy in the future. The other thing to think about is, yes, there may be an off chance we could be stuck with this. Tourist visas may have to show this level of money for the foreseeable or into the future in perpetuity. The other thing is it might fully revert back. You know, it may revert back to the situation as it was prior to March 2020, mostly because a lot of this is being done, it's my understanding, under emergency decree protocols, and therefore the system could sort of, for lack of a better term, snap back, if you will, as soon as the crisis is abated, is averted, if you will. So the thing to keep in mind, this is a requirement for now. I think it's a requirement for the foreseeable now, again, to make up terms. But yes, I think it's probably going to be required into the coming months. I would say for a good portion of 2021, those looking to come to Thailand with tourism on their mind are going to have to show this 500,000 baht in a bank account either in Thailand or their home country.